Upanishads from the 13th of the 8th month of 1446. Sit down and listen to the significance. Revelation was different, is different, and henceforth renditions are spread throughout the whole earth. Language differences are not of much ultimate worth. What is put together can still be in supreme health. Reinterpretation brings us into the metaphorical. Mirth fills those who become aware within devotionals. Beyond the common illusion, be as one and not delusional. Reincarnation is not necessary to believe in, but a responsibility that drives our becoming immortals. And a couple things in that can be thought of as ambiguous in hearing, being as one, as in willingly manifesting the purity, as you could call it, of divine qualities. And amongst the Upanishads, it's not always necessary for their operators or whatever to believe in reincarnation, but it is an implied belief in all of them towards a personal responsibility for one's actions, a personal responsibility for your state in the afterlife and beyond. And a lot of people talk about 108 Upanishads. Well, there's a lot more of them than that. That's just a nice number that's thrown out. I forget what has been said as far as the known number, but there is over 300 known Upanishads. And certain Upanishads refer to particular parts of the common four Vedas. Are some other text, and there's different types of them and all that sort of stuff, but that's not really the scope of what this piece is about. And one of the things to note too is that belief in reincarnation amongst the Hindu race doesn't go back as far as it does with the Greeks and some other groups, as far as we know. So that stereotype is thrown aside. And I myself, I don't see any reason for it. I know people say, oh, it's not reincarnation, it's transmigration, or, same sort of thing. But the point is actually that we exist beyond this incarnation. That's pretty much agreed upon.